Hey guys! Welcome back to another episode of Jenny Time with me, Jenny from Jenny Time. In this episode, I'm going to be doing a beauty tutorial, but not in a normal way. I'm going to be doing a randomized beauty tutorial. So, let's start. So let me explain a little bit about what I'm actually going to be doing in case you're kind of confused. I have no idea if this type of video has been done before. I'm sure it has. I haven't seen it anywhere, but I'm sure it's been done. But basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to be letting a randomizer choose my makeup. This could go horribly wrong, but let's try. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to lay all of my primers, foundations, etc. out, number them 1 to whatever, and then put them in a randomizer, and whatever number comes out, that's what's going on my face. So let's get on with the randomizer. So as you can see, I've laid out all of my primers, so they're going to go 1 to 8, as there's 8 of them, and then whatever one comes out on the randomizer is going to go on my face. And I have 1 to 8 listed here, and we're going to randomize, and number 3 is the winner. As you can see, that means the NYX Soft Focus is the winner. Next up, we have foundations. Let's randomize these 7. And that means number 6 is the winner. Number 6 is the MAC Mineralized Foundation. Next up is concealers. I have 6 concealers to choose from. Let's randomize the concealers. Number 1. Number 1 is the Rimmel Match Perfection. I have not used this in so long. I don't even know if there's much left in this, but let's give it a try. Powders, I only have 4 powders. I literally use the same one over and over again. So I literally only have 4 powders. I probably should invest in more, but oh well. Let's randomize. Number 2. Is the number 7 translucent powder. We have 4 bronzers. Seeing as I did 4 the last time, I can just click again and it'll do 4 again. Oh, 4. 4 is this Flormar Duo Bronzer. I have a lot of highlighters. Palettes, instead of laying them all out, I'm going to number them in the drawer going this way. So it's going to go do 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 do. And then I have a few palettes outside that'll be numbered after this. So right, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think I missed one. 13, I definitely missed that one. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. And for the ones on the table, we have 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. palette. And let's do one more palette just for fun, so we can use more than just one palette basically. 15 was this palette right here, which is the Urban Decay Gwen Stefani palette. Right, so let's start. Basically, this has been crazy and it's taken me ages to do this, so I hope this video turns out well. But I've randomized every single thing I possibly could. There is either 1, things I have not used in ages, or 2, things that I don't know if I've ever even used. Let's start. Starting off, I'm going to take the NYX Soft Focus Primer and I'm going to put it all over my face like so. I do really like this primer. I find that the makeup sticks very well to it, but I do find that it is really drying and leaves my skin feeling very dry. Next, I'm going to use the MAC Mineralized Foundation and taking a flat top brush, rub it all over my face like so. It does look like it doesn't suit my skin right now, but I promise once I blend it all out, it looks grand. I love this, love this foundation. I never really use it, or have never really used it that much before this, but I've found since trying it on that I am in love with this. It has to be one of my favorites now. I find that it leaves my skin feeling really hydrated and soft, and it just really works well with my skin. Then I'm going to take the Match Perfection Concealer and put it under my eyes and down the bridge of my nose and on any of the spots that I need to conceal. Also, you can see me singing away to musical theatre songs and just enjoying myself. Then I'm going to take a damp beauty blender and blend out all of my concealer. Now I'm going to take the No. 7 translucent powder and just buff this all over my face to make the foundation and concealer set a bit more and feel a bit nicer on my skin. Now I'm going to take this Flormar Duo contour and contour my face. Now I'm going to take the Kiko Double Deco blush in the shade Doral and put that on my cheeks. And now I'm taking this Revolution highlighter, which, as you can see from my face, I absolutely loved. I did not expect it to be such a blinding highlighter, and I really loved it. Moving on to brows, I'm using this Dip Brow Kit from Barry M. And I am not used to using dip brows or really anything else other than the Goof Proof, and I found this extremely hard to do, but I do think once I finished off the rest of my makeup, it looked really good. Also, I decided to just show one eyebrow instead of two, as that would just take far too long. There's me again, bopping along to the music and just really having a great time while doing my makeup. So that's the finished eyebrows. I wasn't so sure at this stage if I liked it, but I said, oh well, I'll keep them and put on my gimme brow. There is the finalized brow. I'm pretty happy with how they turned out. They're not as bad as I expected them to be. Now for palettes, I'm using the Gwen Stefani palette as well as the Chocolate Bar palette. At the start, I took the colour Skimp from the Gwen Stefani palette and I put that over my eyes. Next, I took the colour Zone and put that in the crease. Then from the Chocolate Bar palette, I took Semi Sweet and again put that into the crease to darken it up. And then I took Punk from the Gwen Stefani palette and put that in the outer corners of my eyelids to give it a dark, smoky eye look. Then I went on to do a cut crease using the concealer that I used earlier. Then I went into the shade 1987 from the Gwen Stefani palette, which is a beautiful shimmery yellowy gold colour, and I put that where I just put my concealer, so basically the lid of the eye, and I am obsessed with how this looks. I thought it was a gorgeous look and I'm so happy with how it turned out. Then I went back into Punk again and just darkened up the outer edges, and next I took this Lancome mascara and put it on my eyelashes. I really like this mascara, but I do find that the wand is really strange and it's super hard to apply it. Now I'm putting this Velvet Matte Pink, I don't even remember what brand this was from, liquid lipstick, and it was a nice lipstick, but it really stung my lips and felt really weird on them, so I decided to wipe it off as I really didn't like it and it didn't look nice with the eyes. So I decided just for show I would wipe it off and put my favourite liquid lipstick on, which is the Melted Mattes Too Faced in Cool Girl. I love this liquid lipstick so much, and it really brought the look together. Ta-da! And finally I put on this Revolution setting spray, and that's the final look. I really hope you enjoyed. So that is the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed this. It took me ages to do this look, and I decided because I didn't really like the lipstick and it felt really weird on my lips, so I wiped it off and put my usual Melted Matte on. But I'm actually pretty happy with how the eyes turned out. I love the gold, yellowy gold. I love that. Eyebrows, they look better now that everything's done. They looked a bit weird. I'm not great with dip brow. But yeah, I'm super happy with how this turned out. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you next time on Jenny Time. Bye!